Welcome to CCIND. My name is Sid Solomon, and I'm Dr. Solomon's practice coordinator. Come on in. This is Nader, our office manager.
How are you?
Nader is devoted to 100% taking care of our patients' needs. He is very friendly and very kind as well. Our waiting room looks like a house. The philosophy behind the entire practice is to make our patients feel like they are in a home setting, in a non-intimidating setting, where they will be treated with the highest quality of dental care. Come on in. Dr. Solomon graduated from UCLA. He then proceeded to the University of Pacific School of Dentistry, where he received his Doctor of Dental Surgery degree. He has an extensive amount of upper education in the dental field, received from the Las Vegas Institute of Advanced Dental Studies. And these are some of the classes that Dr. Solomon has completed. We have our own lab on site where we sterilize every single one of our instruments and ensure that every patient's experience is in line with all of the state and federal requirements for office safety and office cleanliness. Our operatories, which are fully equipped with digital x-rays, computer technology, and everything else required to make your visit as relaxed and pleasant as possible. Follow me. This here is Wilma, Dr. Solomon's left and right hand. More operatories. Dr. Solomon provides nitrous oxide and also conscious oral sedation for patients that might have a little bit of anxiety towards dental services. Conscious oral sedation involves Dr. Solomon prescribing just the right amount of medication so that our patients are relaxed and that the nerves have gone away. But it does require that the patient be driven to and from the appointment. This is where we do most of our teeth whitening procedures, and also where Dr. Solomon does the TMJ consults. Our bathroom. And finally, our patient lounge and cafe area, where we will either show patients educational videos or we will just invite them for a relaxing cup of tea. We encourage you to visit our office and experience the optimal and quality dental care. Have a great day. Thank you.